Hey folks, JC here, CarLogic Group, the home of the Guaranteed Credit Approval and First Time Buyers Program. And today we've got for you a 2007 GMC Acadia SLT. Now this vehicle has a V6 with 275 horsepower. You've got third row, bucket seats, 4 bucket seats by the way, automatic, power windows, door locks, cruise control, halogen headlights, fog lights with daytime running lights, 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels, has 4-wheel disc brakes and 4-wheel ABS brakes. Leather, dual sunroofs. This is an absolutely fantastic vehicle. Now, a lot of folks are getting about 24 miles to the gallon. Now, this vehicle's got cruise control, tilt. It's got AM/FM stereo CD with 6-disc Bose system, backup sensors. Really designed well. And you got plenty of room in this vehicle for the whole family, or if you need it for hauling. It's also got a trailering package on here. Tow up to about 5,000 pounds. And it's a great looking vehicle. Top to bottom. You got the roof racks on here, everything. Let's take a look at this vehicle, okay? Now, power windows, door locks, power driver seat, auto lights with fog lights. You have an adjustable telescopic steering wheel, leather wrapped steering wheel also. Everything is right there at your fingertips. Here's your Bose sound system, 6-disc CD changer, heated seats, both sides, dual climate control, and you've also got in the back, there's your bucket seats in the back and third row, and that folds down, so if you don't really need it, you got it for hauling. Check this out. Storage, all your coins, don't have to worry about falling all over the place and everything. Now, here's your Bose sound system. And you got plenty of room if you're going to put that bottle in there for, water jug or whatever, like my wife carries. Got plenty of room in there for that too. It's designed for it. Lumbar for your back. More storage in here with a 12-volt output. Folks, this is the vehicle you've been waiting for. It's got dual sunroofs. Chrome all over the place. Not so bad. Looking good. Hey, come on down and see me here at CarLogic Group. We're 12295 Lebanon Road. Or call us at 615-281-9425. Or you can always hit us up on the web, carlogicgroup.com. Folks, thank you so much for watching. Come down and take a look at this vehicle. I think you're going to be impressed. We appreciate you watching. Thank you. JC, CarLogic Group. Bye for now.